Hello, my good viewers, farmers. How are you? This is K Farmer. I'm here for another exciting learning farming process that make us win in whatever we do. I'm here to show you specifically about maize farming, a project that I sidely did it as I was doing my French beans farming. And what I want to show you today is that you don't have to plow your land, you don't have to dig and turn your land. No, nowadays we are advising and advocating for minimum tillage or zero tillage, where you're not disturbing your soil at all. This part we did exactly minimum tillage, whereby we did not disturb our soil so much when we were planting this maize. We didn't turn the soil, and these are the results of our maize. We were using them as a border crop, and as we all know, once you're doing French beans farming, as you can see this crop that you have just harvested, you are required to do border cropping. Border cropping is whereby you protect your beans against chemical drift, against weed scarring and such things. Yeah, that is the importance of maize, the primary part of this maize. But now the secondary part of it, I was doing a research because I'm going to embark once in a maize project next year, and I was interested in zero tillage, minimum disturbance of the soil, and that is what we did. And my spacing here, I used 30 and in some cases 25. I had to use human labor to plant this. The variety or the cultivar of this maize is 624, and you can see zimebeba kubeba mbili mbili. One thing that you going to be surprised is that we didn't plant with fertilizer. We didn't use those. This crop maize has been benefiting from the 4 years that we have been applying our main crop here, which was the French bean. So in this maize production, what I want to emphasize so much, look at this, is the fact that you can do zero tillage and still harvest a lot, but you have to maintain your crop density. Has to be very correct. I have learned that the hard way in my previous project where there was low crop density. You see, like this maize, we have really used a spacing of 7 of here. This is 25 down there centimeters, and if it was a normal maize plantation, from this line to the other we could have done 75 centimeter by 25 centimeter. I've seen well that it is working, and it is very much working, and I have the confidence now to get into the farm. This because it was just a pilot study, and now do the correct thing. You can see how beautiful the maize have really yielded. Zimefanya vizuri, and that is it. Keep learning. You know, maize is one of our fast food. Yeah, we need unga, although protein is what we need more, but we need it in our country for ungari, and that is the basic of it. So when you're embarking back to this project, whether for silage, for ensilage, or for any other activities, I have learned something already, and I'm ready to implement it. So keep learning, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel as we learn and learn. Let me go to another line. There were 7 of them, and they are all the same. They are all the same. They have really produced, the production is the same. Look at them. Yes, thank you very much. Tuendelee kusoma, tusome mpaka to. So I'm very much convinced that you can get your 30 bags per acre if you have such kind of a crop population. Thank you, subscribe, share. If you have questions about this, they are what we have put in place, and we will teach each other as time goes by. Karibuni sana.